लक्ष्मी का मतलब होता है लिटरली धन। तो अगर आप लड़की को लक्ष्मी मान रहे हो तो बाहर काम करने भी दो, तो बाहर लड़की काम करेगी तो धन भी आएगा और लक्ष्मी भी तो आएंगी ना, और लक्ष्मी जी को मना नहीं करते। Hi guys, I'm Paurumi Das and I am playing Kala in Paurishpur, the upcoming web series on All Balaji and Z5, which is going to release on 29th December.
What type of a Griha Lakshmi are you?
I'm a Wonder Woman Griha Lakshmi. I can do everything. मुझे सब काम आता है, like खाना बनाने से लेकर घर साफ करना भी, जो मैं लॉकडाउन में मैं सीख गई हूँ. So yeah, I can do everything. और ऊपर से मैं सज धज भी सकती हूँ.
Does this adjective change at your workplace? If yes, then define it in single word.
In workplace again, I think I'm a Wonder Woman. I can do anything that what you want me to do. मैं सब कर सकती हूँ.
What is your funda for work-life balance or time management?
I think it's both. You have to be balanced. You have to manage the time, because you have to take out time with in your 12-hour shift for yourself, because that's very important.
What all roles you play in life? Mother, daughter, sister-in-law, wife?
Oh, right now I'm unmarried, but I have a son. His name is Khilji. He has 4 legs. He's a dog. And I am a loving daughter. I think the best sister that my brother can ever imagine. And no girlfriend, no wife yet. I think soon. Not really.
What are your fundas for every role you have mentioned, and does your personality change with each of them?
I mean, yes, with my son, Khilji, my dog, I'm very protective, like how a mother should be. Like, sometimes I really beat him up if he's doing something wrong, and at the same time, I can't live without him. Like, I literally sleep with him, I feed him every day, so I'm a mother in that way. With my parents, right now, they all of them, both of them are 60 above, so after certain age, adults, they become a kid, so you have to be very matured around them. You make sure do not say anything that upsets them. And with my brothers, I'm the meanest, because I did deserve it, because they're my brother, and I think the best thing happened in their life was me. So I am meanest with my brothers, but I really do love them.
How do you spend your me time?
I read. मुझे लाइब्रेरी बहुत पसंद है. I know it doesn't go with my personality, but I love authors, different authors. J.K. Rowling is one of my favorite. So I love books. I research about a lot of things about acting, about shows, about how do you make movies, and I love cooking. So yeah, these are the 3 things that I really like to do.
What are your fashion fundas?
Fashion fundas, well, there's a kahavat in Bengali. I'm a Bengali. It says, आप रुचि खाओ, पर रुचि परो. इसका लिटरली मतलब ये है कि खाना अपने मर्जी से खाओ, लेकिन कपड़े जगह के हिसाब से पहनो. So I always wear something which complements the atmosphere. Also, I believe that you have to be comfortable in your attire. If you're not comfortable, you can't carry it off. But sometimes, we go in that lane where maybe the heels are not comfortable, but sometimes it's fine for your fashion.
What are your kitchen fundas? Food, chatori?
I am a chatori, big time, but keep it clean. I want my kitchen to be absolutely neat and clean, and everything should be in a particularly perfect place. So yeah, that's my kitchen funda.
What are your beauty fundas?
Sleep, breathe, stay happy, drink a lot of water.
How challenging was this role for you?
It was quite a lot. I've never done something like that in my life, and it is a woman from an era where her body language, the way she talks, the way she walks, everything was different than what I am in this generation. So for me, getting into that character was quite a lot challenge. Favorite.
How was your experience working with Ekta Kapoor?
I always say this, that she is a one-woman army. She has created a whole new era, and I think she can only do it I love her. I love her attitude. I love the way she is, how prominent her visions are, and she always creates something which it's always a remarkable thing for years. So I am privileged to work in her project.
What new can viewers expect in this show?
Well, we had a lot of foreign shows before, but this is the first magnum opus show in web series in India. So I think that's quite a lot thing for all of them.
How do you see yourself in your future?
That I can buy any property I want to.
A message to Griha Lakshmi readers?
Every Griha has a Lakshmi. When there's a girl, there's a Lakshmi. And Lakshmi does not mean that you have to know everything. It's okay. You have to be Lakshmi by your mind. And Lakshmi का मतलब होता है literally धन. तो अगर आप लड़की को लक्ष्मी मान रहे हो तो बाहर काम करने भी दो. तो बाहर लड़की काम करेगी तो धन भी आएगा और लक्ष्मी भी तो आएंगी ना. और लक्ष्मी जी को मना नहीं करते.